Do you ever feel scared to do something new? Maybe speak in English, talk to new people, or stand in front of a class. I understand that feeling because I felt the same way. This is the story of the day I learned to be brave, and maybe it can help you be brave too. It happened on a normal school day. The sun was shining, and I was sitting in my classroom. Then my teacher said, "Today, each student will give a short talk in front of the class." My heart stopped for a second. I looked around. Everyone seemed okay. But me? I was not okay. I was scared. My hands were cold. My heart was beating fast. Boom, boom, boom. I wanted to disappear. I thought, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? I felt small, and I wanted to say, please, not me. But the teacher smiled and said, don't worry, just try your best. That moment, I decided to try, even if I was scared. When it was my turn, I stood up slowly. My legs were shaking. I walked to the front of the class. Everyone was looking at me. I could hear my heart beating so loud. I took a deep breath. I looked at my friends. Some smiled at me. And then I said the first word. My voice was soft, but it was my voice. I said, "Hello, everyone. My name is—" The words came out slowly, one by one. And guess what? Nobody laughed. Everyone listened. Each second, I felt a little stronger. Each word, I felt a little braver. When I finished my talk, the class was quiet for 1 second, and then they clapped. I couldn't believe it. I smiled so big. I did it. My teacher said, "See, you can do it." At that moment, I felt something new inside me. It was not fear anymore. It was confidence. I learned something very important that day. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be brave enough to start. Since that day, I try to be brave every time I feel scared. When I speak English, when I meet new people, when I try new things, I remember that moment in my classroom. Bravery doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you try even when you are scared. And every time you try, you grow stronger. Every time you speak, you get better. And one day, you will say, I did it. I was brave. So today, I want you to try something brave. Speak in English for 1 minute. Say hello to someone new, or share your story in the comments. Remember, small steps make big changes. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because the day you try, the day you speak, the day you don't give up, that's the day you learn to be brave. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more easy English stories every week. Repeat this video to practice your English speaking, and remember, you are brave already.